Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant glam vase. And so what you're going to need is some of these crystal napkin rings. And they come in a set of 4. I picked these up at Efavormart. You're going to also need some of this floral diamond wrap. I also got this at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourselves 15% on your orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these plastic bowls. You will also need a glass candle holder. I'm using like this tulip shape, but you can use whatever shape you'd like. I've got white flowers from Dollar Tree. Got the bright white and then the cream white. And from Walmart, I picked up these peel and stick diamond gemstones. You can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. And I have a little floral foam ball here that I've cut in half. I picked this up at Michael's. So you will need some sort of a floral foam. They do have different shapes of floral foam at Dollar Tree as well. I am going to be using hot glue on my project. However, if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make the project permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful vase, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this vase and centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And how easy was this to make? Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.